Alright, it's time to talk about the Redmi K40 Gaming Edition once again. In my previous video, I talked about the first teaser of this phone and also some of the rumored specifications. And while we still have a couple of days left for the launch, Redmi has revealed a lot about this phone already. First of all, the company has now shown the full design of the phone, so as we can see there is a flat screen on the front with a hole punch cutout in the center. On the back, there is a triple camera setup, and one interesting thing about this camera setup is that the LED flash is in the shape of lightning, so this is one of the unique design aspects of this device. Redmi has also revealed that on the front as well as on the back, there is Gorilla Glass 5 and the frame is made of metal. The Redmi K40 Gaming Edition will be the thinnest gaming phone when it launches, and among all the gaming phones launched so far, it will have the thinnest bezels on the front. There is a small 2.7mm chin on the bottom and the bezels on the sides are just 1.8mm. So in short, Redmi was not wrong when it said that despite being a gaming phone, it can be used as normal device thanks to its overall design. Now in my previous video I said that some rumors point towards a 144Hz display, but as it turns out, Redmi went for a 120Hz panel on this phone. Going into the details of this panel, the Redmi K40 Gaming Edition has a flexible OLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate. Now this is a 10-bit panel, which means in theory it can display over 1 billion colors. In contrast, the 8-bit screens that we normally see on smartphones can show 16 million colors. So what does that mean? It means this display has better color reproduction. Moreover, the panel has 8192 levels of brightness control. Redmi has already revealed that the K40 Gaming Edition has the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 chipset and it scores over 700,000 on AnTuTu benchmark. According to Digital Chat Station, a very trusted source on Weibo, the Redmi K40 Gaming Edition has a 5065 mAh battery and supports 67W fast charging. So that's all we know so far about the Redmi K40 Gaming Edition, and well, there are rumors of the starting price to be around 2000 yuan in China. Redmi has not yet said anything about the price. Anyways, what do you think of the Redmi K40 Gaming Edition after all these official teasers? Do let me know via the comments section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.